watching Vacation Minute by ExplorerVacations. Welcome to Ibiza. Today, we're exploring the daytime magic of this Balearic island. Forget the all-night parties. Ibiza is a jewel of the Mediterranean, where sun-drenched days reveal an island steeped in history, natural beauty, and profound tranquility. Our journey begins in Ibiza town, specifically within the magnificent Renaissance walls of Villa. This UNESCO World Heritage Site isn't just a fortress, it's a living museum. For over 2,500 years, different civilizations, from the Phoenicians and Carthaginians who founded the island to the Romans and Moors, have left their mark here, walked these ancient cobblestone streets, and you're literally treading on the layers of history that define the Mediterranean. Look out from the ramparts. The view is simply breathtaking. But the island's allure isn't just in its architecture. Ibiza's daytime rhythm is defined by its pristine beaches and hidden coves. Spend a morning at a serene spot like Cala Llenya, or explore the salt flats of Ses Salines, historically vital to the island's economy since the Phoenician era. Head inland and the landscape shifts to quiet villages, traditional fincas, and almond groves. This is the heart of the island's authentic soul, far from the coastal bustle. Ibiza truly offers two distinct experiences, and the peaceful, historic day is an absolute must-see. From ancient forts to tranquil turquoise waters, discover the history beneath the glamour. Thank you for exploring with ExplorerVacations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. For travel ideas about Europe and beyond, please visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.